what we're going to do today is we're going to make slime
out of gummy
bears. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to microwave them. But first we're going to do a part 1 and a part 2.
Yeah.
So once we microwave them and yeah. So this is our part 1. So bye. See you when our gummy bears are finished.